So today I want to talk about improvised materials, natural deposits of building materials that you can utilize. So what you notice in this old creek bed, you have deposits of gravel. So you can use this for driveway, you can screen it, use it for concrete, and you can do other things with it. So this is all free for the taking in a survival situation. So you should keep in mind, you should survey your property to see what you have, whether it's gravel, sand, riprap, and other materials you can build with. So you can see on the curved areas of these creeks, that's where you drop the heavier rock and gravel. On our property, we have all kinds of materials we can use. You can use the trees, you got sand. We have deposits of sand that are clean enough you can use for masonry and concrete. And you have different sizes of gravel. And further back on the farm, we have bigger rocks that you can use for riprap and also for building buildings. So another example, there's tons of gravel in this creek and around the creek. In this area, there's a lot of portions of the creek bed that have been cut off and abandoned by the creek itself. These are all full of materials you can use. So while you may not have any money, you still have all kinds of material that you can get and use in your efforts. Please comment, rate, subscribe. We'll see you on the next video.